Ben, are you eating yogurt? Yeah, yogurt and banana. Good boy. Good boy. Keep it balanced. Keep it balanced. Oh, all right. Good scooping. Good scooping. Well done. Do you want to try with your right hand? Yeah? That spoon? Oh, maybe, or switch the spoons? That seems like a fun idea. 2 in 1 hand. Oh, that's a novel concept. It might be a little messy. It might be a little messy. Take a big scoop. Scoop it in. Okay, hold it level. Good boy, good boy. Yay! Oh, that's a nice little pool. Yeah, try your right hand. All right, nice job. Nice job. Gonna switch them around again? Oh, try both together? I understand the desire there. Do you want a ladle? That might help. A bigger surface area to scoop it up. To scoop it up. Yeah, but I don't think it would fit in your mouth. That's the unfortunate part. You have a little yogurt river dripping down. Should we try to scoop it in? Nice job. Yeah. Good boy. That was a great one. Do you want to, oh. Get the spoon out of the way. Don't tip over the bowl. Oh. Ben, guess what happened to all your yogurt? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now there's a yogurt lake with all your lentils. Uh-oh. Where'd all the yogurt go? What do you think? Do you think it's still there? There's a little bit. All right. Try it one hand with 2. Oh, it's good experimentation there. Ah, good bite. All right. And maybe try the yellow one again. Back to the right hand with both. A little unconventional, but we'll see. Oh, try it again. Almost. What are you gonna do? Somehow both should work. I understand what you're thinking. The more the merrier. Twice the fun. You got it. Take a scoop. Scoop it up. You scoop it up. Scoop it up. You got it. Can you take a scoop? Scoop. Ready? Yay! All right! Yay! Take a scoop. Good job. Oh, that side's probably good for teething. Does that feel nice? Some of those back molars coming in. Are you dancing? Do, do, do. All right. Bye-bye. 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 Yeah, Daddy's not home yet. He'll be here soon. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ben. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.